Musamselo and his family are coming back for the 7th season. Mzansi Magic has announced that Uthando Nesthembu is coming back on our screens from the 25th of January 2024. You know what I love about this show is that they always bring something new and unexpected. It's not just Musa and his wives trying to please the country. The show brings dignity to Nesthembu and the family is so authentic and relatable. So, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, Uthando Nesthembu is one of my favorite reality shows of all times. On the announcement of the show, Mzansi Magic dropped a theme picture for the 7th season, which is kind of poetic and creative when you look at it. In front, there's Umatsele, the first wife, and Umayin, the second wife. You remember that they're all the ones who are always bitter and unhappy, but on the picture, they are all jolly and smiling. Then, Umakhumalo and Mangwaba at the back, and they are not looking happy at all. I think they're trying to give us a glimpse of what to expect from Uthando Nesthembu this season. Also, those who know chess will understand this. On the theme picture, there are also 5 queens and 1 king, with the king being Musamsele obviously. What's interesting is that one of the queens is on the side laying down. I think this could mean that Musa is finally putting the number 5 thing into rest, or it could mean that we will be introduced to number 5 this season. Asaz. What I'm more interested in watching is how the story of Makhumalo and Matsele will go. In season 6, everyone's view was that Umatsele betrayed Makhumalo after she declined the invite to go to her wedding. This is after Makhumalo tried by all means to support Umatsele in everything that she was doing in season 6. I also noticed that most viewers are interested in what the Msele siblings have been up to. More especially Mpumelelo with his Nesthembu and how has Mnini been doing. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't like creating long videos, so this is the end of this video. Please comment in the comment section and let me know what is it that you expect from this season of Uthando Nesthembu, and if you enjoyed content on this video, please like, subscribe and press the notification bell so that you can be notified every time when I post videos on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.